Hey everybody, this is the painting from video 560 where I used alcohol in it and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Super happy with that one. Cute little sides. I like it. So I've had some requests for mallet smashes and I found my last round MDF. After this, there is no more, unless I can get a hold of my person. Like a drug. I need round MDFs. So, all right. Okay. Oh, I don't have socks on and I have concrete floor and my feet are freezing. All right. Excuse me. So, this is 1/2" MDF that I primed with, I don't know if I use gesso or just my regular house paint. One of the two. I wish I could tell you, but I don't know because I found this like in a pile, so I've done it, I did it quite a while ago. And then I just sanded it, but there's a couple flaws here and there in the wood. But I'll resin it anyway, so it won't really matter. Now I gotta get a drink water. Okie dokie. I'm gonna use Grumbacher Process Magenta, Artist Loft Metallic Blue. This is a self-mixed yellow, and it also has iridescent medium. And this has some iridescent medium, and this is that odd vermilion orange red concoction. And then this is my Dutch Boy white house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And you can find the playlist in the video description. I give the quote recipe out all the time, but I think people don't like believe me or something because I'm like, I don't measure. I just dump the paint in, dump the Floetrol in, stir it, and then add water until it's the consistency I like. So it's probably, you know, I probably add, you know, the paint is probably 50%, Floetrol 25 maybe, so and then water. So Floetrol and water are probably, they vary between 50% and 50% and 30-20, and yeah, so I don't measure. And that bothers people. Not everybody. Somebody's like, I like that, and it worked for them. Said they measured, or you know, they just kind of eyeballed it and it worked. Oh, I'll have to show you. I just bought some wood panels, raised tab, 1.5" thick on Amazon. I did add them to my influencer list or whatever it's called. That is also in the video description. And I can't wait. Tomorrow I get all my alcohol ink stuff. I think I told you guys about in the last video that I ordered. And I also ordered, last night, I ordered an airbrush. So, look, it's new. It's so sad. I missed my old one. But still have this because... Oh my God! Schnikes. Okay, well that's powerful. I must have been, oh my God. Smell of gas in the morning. I totally forgot where the heck I was after that flame. Oh, the airbrush gun? I think was what I ordered like late last night, or yeah. So just starting with a couple puddles. Oops, just moved the whole tray. These seem to be colors I use a lot. I was trying to use something else, but I just couldn't decide what. Because these three are all, you know, like in the same family-ish. Gotta add the ish for technicalities. So now I'm like, maybe I don't want to do the blue. Brown? No. Don't want brown. Lighter. Well, no. Do I have just Payne's gray mixed up? I do not. Maybe I'll just do a dab of, this is Payne's gray and Prussian blue. Oh, no. I shouldn't have done that. I should not. I could dab it out now. Well, I'll wait and see. Got my mallet. I'm not going to hit super hard because I don't want paint flying, so. And also when you hit super hard in the beginning, it spits out a halo that I don't like. You can go at it harder the second time like I just did. Oh, I'm glad. I like the blue. Just torch some air bubbles out. Holy crap! Jeez Louise. Alright, so I've got divots from where I smashed. Trying to decide how much I want to tilt it. That's always the tough call with a mallet smash. I hate smashing and leaving. But if I tilt it, it kind of loses the mallet smashiness. The paint doesn't really want to move a whole heck of a lot. Let's see how. It's not terribly thick. It's so naked up here though. Get some flingies. Like how bare it was. See, I don't want this to end. They're so fun. I don't like it when it's too easy. get more stuff up in that blank void. Well, maybe it's a good thing the paint's not moving, because I'd probably mess it up if it was. This paint is not moving. It is not going anywhere. So obviously it is telling me step away from the paint. So I just have little dots here, but that is better than all of that negative space, just plain white. I did not like that. I'm really digging the colors. Alright, look, I finally got around to varnishing. One layer of varnish so far. This one I had done in gloss. You can see it's still wet. I had done in gloss, but I hated it, so I went back over it in matte. Because it had, you can kind of see a little bit of texture right here. And with the gloss, it just brought it out, like real noticeably. And I did not like that. I will do, what is it the kids call it? An unwrap, unveiling, whatever it's called. So it's Art Alternatives, wood panel, 12 by 12 gallery, 1.5 inch profile. There are 3 of them. I believe it was $26, I think. Or maybe. I ordered a couple. So this is what they are. They need to be primed. So I will prime them. Lightweight, nice and sturdy. I'm trying to see in here. Oh, I got new pens. I'm going to try using those to sign my name. Palette knives, washi tape, all sorts of stuff. A lot of people swear by the washi tape for resin. So I tried it once, it didn't work so great, but that washi tape was about 8 years old. So I am guessing that, and it was cheap stuff, so I'm guessing there wasn't much stick to it. Look how pretty. Aren't the colors fabulous? There, a little brighter. Now you see what it looks like in real life. So I feel like it kind of needs something more, but it probably doesn't. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.